Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my default of physics channel. So in this video, my topic which is defined. My topic is about heat. What is the usage of heat in physics? So now I will define about heat. In thermodynamics, heat is the thermal energy transferred between systems due to temperature difference in colloquial use. Heat sometimes referred to thermal energy itself. Thermal energy is the kinetic energy of vibrating and colliding atoms in the substance. An example of formal versus informal usage may be obtained from the right hand photo, in which the metal bar is conducting heat from its hot and its cold end. But if the metal bar is considered the thermodynamic system, and then the energy flowing within the metal bar is called internal energy, not heat. The non-metal is also transferring heat to its surroundings, a correct statement for both the strict or losing and losing meanings of heat. Another example of informal usage in the team heat content used despite the fact that physics defines heat as energy transfer more accurately. It is thermal energy that is obtained in the system or body as if stored in the microscopic degree of freedom of the modes of vibration. Heat is energy transferred to or from a thermodynamic system by a mechanism that involves the microscopic atomic modes of motion or the corresponding microscopic properties. This descriptive characterization excludes the transfers of energy by thermodynamic works or mass transfer. Defined quantity. The heat involved is processed in the difference in internal energy between the final and initial states of a system, and subtraction the work done is the process. This is a fundamental of the first law of thermodynamics. Calorimetry is measurement of quantity of energy transferred as heat by its effect on the state of interacting bodies. For example, by the amount of ice melted by range in temperature of a body. In the International System of Unit SI, the unit of measurement of heat as a form of energy is the joule. J. Nation and units as the form of energy, heat has the unit joule. In the International System units SI. In addition, many applied branches of energy use other traditional units such as British thermal unit BTU and calorie. The standard unit for the rate of heating is the watt W, defined as the joule per second. The symbol Q for heat was introduced by Rudolf Clausius and Macronium Rankine in c. 1859. Heat released by a system into its surroundings is by convention a negative quantity. When a system absorbs heat from its surroundings, it is positive. Heat transfer rate or heat flow per unit time is denoted by Q, but it is not a time derivative of a function of state. Can also be written with the dot notation since heat is not a function of state. Heat flux is defined as rate of heat transfer per unit cross-sectional area. Classical thermodynamic heat and entropy. In 1856, Rudolf Clausius, referring to closed systems in which transfers of matter do not occur, defined the second fundamental theorem. The second law of thermodynamics is the mechanical theory of heat. If two transformations which without necessitating any after permanent change can mutually replace one another be called equivalent, then the generations of quantity of heat Q from work at the temperature T has the equivalent value Q by T. In 1865, he became to define the entropy symptomized by S, such as due to supply of the amount of heat Q is temperature T, and entropy of the system is increased by triangle S is equal Q over T. So friends, how is my usage of heat in physics. If you all like this my video, so subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. So now I am go to another video. Allah Hafiz.